T-Mobile international data not working abroad can be really frustrating, especially when everything looks turned on, but your phone still refuses to connect once you land in another country. The first thing to understand is that international data depends on roaming being properly enabled on both your account and your device. Even if your plan includes international coverage, your phone still needs to connect to a partner network in that country, and that connection does not always happen automatically. Uh, a quick check that often solves the issue is making sure your phone is actually set to allow data roaming. If data roaming is turned off in your setting, your phone will block mobile data outside your home network even if everything else um, is correct. Sometimes the device simply connects to the wrong local network. In that case, switching from automatic network selection to manual selection and choosing a supported carrier in that country can help your phone lock onto a working signal. Another factor is the travel pass or international plan status on your T-Mobile account. If your plan does not include international data, or if the feature has not been activated properly, your phone may show signal bars but data still will not work. A simple restart can also make a surprising difference. When you reboot your phone after arriving in a new country, it forces the device to register with local partner networks, which can fix temporary connection glitches. In some situations, the issue comes down to APN or network configuration settings. If those settings are corrupted or not updated for roaming, your data connection may fail even though calls or texts still work. It is also worth checking if your device is stuck in airplane mode or if a VPN is interfering with network routing. These small settings can quickly block data without showing an obvious error message. If nothing works, the issue may be on the carrier side, such as temporary roaming restrictions, account flags, or regional network limitations. In those cases, contacting support through Wi-Fi or another connection is usually the only way to confirm what's happening. Most of the time, though, international data problems come down to a small getting or network selection issue rather than a major fault. So a few quick adjustments can usually get things working again. That's it for today. I will see you in the next